It alleviated stress from my back and my neck. It was really unexpected, but it was a lot of differences right at the beginning, and now from day to day I wouldn't work without it. You actually can turn it on with the switch right here, and then these boxes have springs in them, and they will actually take your arms up and they'll assist them. So like right now, it's just holding me up. I have nothing on it. So I can just say hi to everybody, and it's really good. I love it. And then you just reach over and turn it off, and it's all back. I mean, there may be situations where I may not need to use it from job to job, but any job that's overhead, I wouldn't work without it. As people walk by and they see it for the first time, they're like, what happened? Did you get injured? Is there something wrong? No, it's a device that Ford came up with Exo to relieve stress, and everybody wants one. Anybody that works overhead, they're like, well, where do I get one? I wish they had this before, so it's really good. Everybody loves it.
An extension of yourself. It basically takes what you normally do and it locks you in place. So when you put your hands over your head, you can relax your arms, your suit holds you there. So we call it helping arms. So it makes things a lot easier, a lot more relaxed. It took me a little bit to adjust to it because it's a little cumbersome in the back, but after about a few hours, it felt natural. I'm over my head all day. 15 shots continuously. It burns out the shoulders and your rotator cuffs.